25, definitely over 500 horsepower. Right?
Oh yeah.
I like how it's come up lap.
It wants you to race, doesn't it?
Wants me to race. So let's try and get some space. Let's try and get some cars out of the way. Although we're holding up this guy at the back of us, so
he'll be fine. He'll be.
It's pretty punchy. Yeah, thumbs up. It was a good car. Credit to Neil who's taking the photo.
Yeah,
or the video.
Thank you very much. I'm no cameraman, but you know.
Well, maybe this is the start of your career.
This is a step towards a new career for me.
This is the new Neil.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I wish you every success at Redline as well. It's a good company, and you know.
A little bit.
So maybe
got a bit, and then it's up to the roundabout. So
okay, I'll back off for that.
Yeah.
Are you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go. It really is brutal when you get it to the top of those rev ranges, isn't it?
It is. I mean, the V10 is a sound motor.
Oh,
It really is. Are we going right or left?
Go left here.
Okay.
It really just is
Thanks, Neil.
a very fun car.
A really good